back to my channel. So here is the second part of my video finally. Here I've just taken a wet pipe and cleaned up the whole dust around it, and then I've taken a window or a glass cleaner that works best for it and just spray it all over, and taken old newspaper that works best. I love vanity lights. I had them before, but during shifting they just broke. Some came out. I had to buy new ones. So I'm just going to take them all out and put them up. I think vanity lights are the easiest source of lighting that you can have for your vanity. So if you want any extra lighting, have a go at this. Finally, the lights are up. Now let's move on to setting up my vanity. I really wanted to buy a Lazy Susan for all my perfumes, but as it was not available anywhere, I had to make use of this gift box that I had. I covered it with pink wrapping paper and I'm using it for now. Wanted my rings to be on top of the table because whenever I go out I want to wear them. So I placed this wooden dish kind of a thing. These containers I got from up north. They are really pretty. And the last thing that I added to my table was this vase that I added for color. So this side of my vanity has 3 big drawers. First drawer has 4 partitions inside. So I have taken out all the things from the first drawer. Now I'm going to clean it up and then set it all up. Here I'll just use another wet pipe to thoroughly clean all the drawers. Then I just used a dry towel to just swipe through one more time. So in the first compartment I've placed all my foundations and all the concealers that I have. In the second compartment, I placed all the eye palettes that I own. So in this little area, I have placed some more eyeshadows that are much smaller in size, even the liquid ones, and some lash glue. In this last area, I have all my highlighter and my blush palettes. So these 2 baskets that I have contains all my lipsticks. So I really like this box. I recently found this when we were shifting, and I instantly thought of keeping my neck pieces in it. I actually keep my neck pieces in small Ziploc bags so that I do not have to worry about getting them spoiled. So in this drawer, I have also placed my Sephora kit. So the last thing in this drawer is this jewelry box that I have, that I keep all my pendants and my small necklaces around here. this third drawer, I have this basket that has all the watches in. I have another basket for all the beauty blenders and brush cleaner, a little something for the pins, and a traveling mirror. It's completely surreal to find something that you owned but you did not know that you had. So this was another amazing box that I found when I was packing up stuff for moving. So this, it has 3 partitions and it is great for my earrings. Now they don't get tangled up. This was a box that we got from someone who celebrated the birth of the baby boy. So I kept this for all my new jewelry that I have not used yet. You could also wrap these boxes with wrapping paper according to your likes. This is another jewelry box that I have. It has several partitions. I keep my studs in it. Okay, so this is another one that I have, and I like to keep all my earrings separate according to categories. So this is for my casual ones. Nobody needs to spend a lot of money on organizing. You cannot use a basket or an organizer and keep it like that. Another way you can organize your dressing is by placing makeup organizers. Just like I've shown you in the video, I have placed my skin products and my lipsticks over here. This is a rotating organizer. This is great for organizing your dressing table. This saves a lot of space and a lot of things can be put in this. Now we've come to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in part 1, I'll be adding the link in the end.